Good morning. Good morning. How are you? So yesterday we went and picked out the kids a little surprise. Well, we didn't pick, I think it's a girl. We didn't pick her out. She showed up at my mom's house. I think someone left her there, but she is so sweet and obviously very young. Was born probably not long ago, but look how cute, and the kids love her. She's so cute. Say good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. What are you doing? What are you doing? Really? You see that baby? Okay guys, so I have to show you this super cute sweater that my mom bought for me yesterday at Cracker Barrel. Hold on. How cute is that? I love Charlie Brown, and so she knew that I would love this. I'm gonna wear it today. You're gonna laugh, but our cat's name is Sushi. 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 Branson's probably gonna say shishi or something. Have I ever mentioned how hard it is to get out the door with 2 kids? Because it is exhausting. I don't even want to go anywhere now. Ugh. It is not easy.
Wearing your Christmas shirt already.
Yep. Hi. Let's hurry up. People are going home like crazy.
I'm going back to Home Depot to get it free.
You're what?
Justin told me I was stupid because I had like 15 in the building.
Well, it's true. I mean, unless they're not.
Well, see, now I've done bought this one and it messed up.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. You know, he was in a nursing home for years. He just now got out. But he's in a nursing home for 10 years.
What are you doing?
Okay, I'm going to go get me some glasses.
At Walmart? Huh?
Out past there. I'm just going to get some cheap ones because I got some at home that I did not bring them.
What's this? But you gotta listen to it.
Okay.
No good without volume.
Okay. Okay. Ooh. train, North Pole Express. Wonder what all they got. These are some cute bells. I don't know where I'd put it, but oh, this is cute. You like clip it on your tree, and it looks like there's an elf hanging out. So cute. This is cute too. Oh hey, where are you going? Easily distracted. Whatever. Say whatever. Whatever. Don't get mad. We need stuff for little kitty. We need some stuff. Oh man, I bet she would go crazy over this. Ew. Does anyone else's husband hate shopping? Like Jordan already went to the car and that drives me insane. But we need something. Just don't know what. Okay guys, so I'm back home and I'm just gonna do a little Walmart haul. You may not care, but I love it when people do these. So, we got Q-tips, conditioner, deodorant, juicy juice, diapers. Not pictured is some beard oil that Jordan got. And last but not least, Dr. Pepper. Okay, so before I start supper and create a mess, I'm going to clean up the mess that I already have. So I need to clean off the counters and put away the dishes and reload the dishwasher and all that good stuff. So let's get started. Is that what? Them's good peaches. Oh, is them good peaches? Yummies. So, usually after supper time is when we give the kids a bath because they're usually a mess. And Branson missed his nap today, and so he's already in the bath because he is super cranky, and he was super cranky eating, and he's got to go to bed earlier tonight, don't he? Because he's crazy. He's crazy. Yes. But anyway, we're just I'm painting this thingy. That's why it's like white and then dark. But yeah. Look, he's got peaches on his forehead. You gotta get in a bath too. Yeah, you gotta have a bath too. we ended up having a very eventful night, didn't we?
Yeah.
Branson went to bed. He fell asleep and slept good for probably 45 minutes. Then he woke up screaming and crying. And so I thought maybe he had a bad dream. And I brought him in here to the couch. And he sat there for probably an hour watching TV. And then he got to where he was wanting to play. So I put him back in the bed. He screamed more. But he's finally fell asleep. And I'm exhausted. Right?
Yeah, he's having some problems. I don't know what's going on, but
He's working on my pants because the string around the waist has went, like, come out of the hole and, like, into the pants.
I got her here at the end.
Yes.
I just can't get through the hole.
Okay, well, get it.
There we go.
Yes. I've been doing that forever.
There we go. Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, well, we'll see you later.
Good night.
Good night.